my god, I choose a wrong one. So dinosaur give me a punishment. Hello friends, I am Ashu and welcome back to our channel Toy to Buy. So today I am unboxing in this video is a mischief dinosaur dentist toy. It is very funny and crazy toy. You can play with your family and with your kids. So it is very funny because if you choose the wrong teeth of a dinosaur, then the dinosaur give you a punishment. So it is very funny. So in this video, I will tell you about the quality of the product and how you can play with it. So let's get started. So here is our dinosaur. Now we will open it and we will see the quality of the product and how can we play with it. Tan tan! Here is our dinosaur. You can see, oh, dangerous is it. It's look very dangerous. You can see his eyes, oh, and his teeth very large, and its quality also very good. I feel it, and we can play manually because we don't want a battery or any charger to play with it. So before I started the video, I want to tell you the story behind this game. Here is a dinosaur, and he eats loads of chocolates, and his teeth get spoiled. He comes to the doctor to check out his teeth, and the twist in this game, we will become a doctor and the dinosaur come to our clinic and we will check out his teeth and see which teeth it spoiled. If you choose the wrong teeth of a dinosaur, then the dinosaur catch your finger in his mouth. So be careful. So now we will play with it. Oh my god. So guess. Ah! I choose the wrong one, so dinosaur give me a punishment. I just want to tell you, all teeth work properly. We have to guess and every time different teeth will work. I love this toy. You like this toy? Please comment below in a comment section. Also, if you want this toy, you can buy it from Flipkart or Amazon site. It's very funny and crazy game. You can check the description where I have given its a buy link. By using this buy link, you can buy this product, and also you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook page where I post toy unboxing videos and toy information. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then you can subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for more information. So thank you for watching this video.